I don't think that's right. It's ever so slightly not big enough. Ow, my nope. It's definitely leaking. All right, so we got the wastegate here. We're actually gonna plug the this side is the side that's open. My turbo, mine sits like this. This one needs to come out. These two need to get plugged. Turbo Smart's very generous. They include some vacuum ports and plugs in the kit. All right, got some thread tape. I don't need this much, but this is a very excessive amount. It's all good, nice and locked. I don't think I pulled all, okay, I might have just pulled all of it out. Wonderful. Do not want, please. Okay, that's in. Good job. Just thread that guy in. Do the same on this guy. There you go. That should be good. All that's left is putting it back on the car. Right. It must be done. I'm sorry. It's a little scratched up. Okay, this is a bit of a process. Seat that in there. Come on, buddy. Come on, accept it. I don't think that's right. Wow, this is gonna be freaking annoying. Get in the hole, please. Ow, my Okay. I'm pulling out. Alright, let's try again. You just do it till you get it. The clamp is there. However, it's kind of hard to get that nut. Why are you being such a pain? Probably should have done this first. I thought it would be easier with the dump tube on, but I took the dump tube off and I think it's going to be a lot easier. And now it seems that it's still a pain, but it should be a lot easier of a pain. I don't know why this V-band is such a... It's ever so slightly not big enough. Transmission's hot. Okay, this clamp is not getting used. Get off! Oh my god! I basically broke my arm to do this. It's finally on there. It's a little later now. I plumbed it up. Wastegate's on, dump tube's on, vacuum lines to the boost controller are plumbed. That was a fight and a half. That V-band clamp was not fun. Sounds good so far. Nope, it's definitely leaking. It's fully done now. It was a battle, but we won it. This definitely shouldn't have taken as long as it did, but yeah. I felt around the wastegate while it was started and I didn't feel a leak and I don't hear one. It's the next morning. Let's check it out. Make sure it's still, you know, working. Sounds good. Time to drive to work.
because I would make this way better.
Magic wand of light. We're doing a what? Manual boost controller install?
Manual boost controller install.
Beef. Turbo.
Is that a 4-cylinder?
No, 8. There's 2 in the back.
Oh, it was like the MX-3?
Yeah, the MX-3 Miata.
The one I sent you yesterday.
Yeah, I know
2
those.
engines. It's a V12. 2 V6s.
That one?
It was just...
What is this? I don't have bolts that look like that on my car. Is that from the boost controller? Is that from Kyle's car? I don't know. There's only 2 holes.
I know, but maybe it was just hanging out.
What? That's terrifying. I don't like that. Had to pull my car in because we're doing an instruction manual for how to use the manual boost controller. My car's the perfect test bed because everything's pretty much our product. Look at that. Some vacuum port shots. All the good stuff. And we out. I know you guys didn't see that part, but yeah, time to drive home. Let's get it.